Just opened the AMT 1960 Corvette kit, and I just see what's in. This is pretty much all that's inside. You get the body shell, the chassis. It's all molded in. The spare tire, exhaust, and so on is molded in. And a little interior tub. I haven't opened this yet. The windshield. You got two metal axles, 6 tires, 4 regular and 2 little wider. They're all printed with Goodyear on them, very nice. This is your decal sheet, black flames, black and gold. A few other racing decals there. This is your chrome tree, bumpers, grille, custom wheels and stock wheel rims, hubcaps, side exhaust, seat belts, and so on. The engine parts here. I guess fender wells, backrests, firewall, there's some other different parts, dash, steering. So I'm going to begin this soon, and this will be black and silver with a red interior. They had quite a few of these kits. I bought this on for $20 at the hobby store flea market they had a month or so ago. He had about 15 of these kits. And then it seems like they're it seems like they're 2023 issue, and I might go back at a couple more because I'd like to do one in red and white and one special custom design. So stay tuned for further updates. The instruction sheet is pretty simple. It's just 4 pages. The parts are not numbered. The numbers are, I guess, in order of assembly. Just the wheels and tires, chassis, interior, body parts, final assembly, external and optional items. Okay, a quick progress report on the 60s Corvette. I've got the body parts and the chassis here in Rust-Oleum 2X black primer, just flat black, and then I went over the hood, the fascia, and the body in Rust-Oleum 2X gloss black. And I'll seal that up with some future. I've got the sides done in silver here. I've got the masking tape. I'll be pulling that off next and start some detail painting. I'm here again with another progress report on the 60s Corvette. I've got the interior all done up here, painted and detailed. I just did a black wash on the gauges and then a white pencil over to bring out the lettering. Molotow chrome on the steering wheel. I got the seat belts in. A little bit of silver paint on the dash there and the black wash on the air vents, and got the engine and wheels in here, wheels and tires pushed in. I got the chassis detail painted a little bit just with some gunmetal craft paint and some silver craft paint. See, the engine's installed, the wheels roll. Gotta be careful there to roll away. I got the body done here. I've got Molotow marker chrome around the edges here. Got tail lights in just with a red Sharpie marker on them. They were chromed. There's a chrome badge here for the trunk and one for the hood. Got the visors painted with the red. Got 2 or 3 coats of future floor pledge future on there. So it's just finished drying, just to seal it up and to seal in the Molotow chrome. Then Molotow chrome also around the edge here. That just kind of finished it off a bit. I guess I missed the doorknobs, so I'll have to do those. Just a matter of putting everything together now. Got the tonneau cover. I give you half a tonneau cover for the interior here. I just did that in the red as well, so it can go on there, optional. So stay tuned. I'll be back with hopefully the final product. And there's a couple other things I almost forgot. After putting the firewall in there, and I've attached the battery on the left there and the windshield washer on the right. So that'll just push on over the chassis. You put the interior tub now up inside the body, and then set that on the chassis with the engine. And then there's the hood here and the front and rear fascia to go on, and a heater hose. And there's some extra parts left over. I'll show them after the completed, once it's completed in the final video.